Rising above the River Arun in West Sussex is one of England's longest inhabited and most dramatic fortresses, Arundel Castle, home to nearly 1,000 years of noble history. Its story begins shortly after the Norman conquest. In 1067, William the Conqueror granted the land to his loyal follower, Roger de Montgomery, who built the first Motte and Bailey fortification here. That simple wooden stronghold became the foundation of one of Britain's great surviving castles. By the 12th century, stone walls and a massive keep replaced the timber defences, turning Arundel into a formidable fortress, guarding the southern coast of England. Throughout the medieval period, the castle's strategic position made it vital in national conflicts, including the civil wars between King Stephen and Empress Matilda, and later the struggles of the Wars of the Roses. Arundel Castle is also inseparable from the Howard family, one of England's most powerful dynasties. They became the hereditary Dukes of Norfolk and have lived here for over 400 years, making Arundel one of the longest continuously occupied castles in the country. In the 1640s, during the English Civil War, Arundel became a battleground. The castle changed hands several times between royalists and parliamentarians, suffering heavy damage. After the war, many of its defences were deliberately destroyed to prevent future military use. But Arundel's rebirth came in the 18th and 19th centuries, when the Howards transformed it into a grand Gothic Revival palace. Towers, halls, and lavish staterooms were rebuilt in a style inspired by medieval architecture, but filled with Victorian splendour, a blend that gives the castle its iconic, romantic look today. A major restoration continued into the late 1800s, even hosting Queen Victoria and Prince Albert in 1846, who were deeply impressed by its scale and beauty. Today, Arundel Castle stands as a rare combination of medieval fortress, Victorian palace, and living noble residence. Visitors can explore the keep, chapels, armouries, and vast gardens, all while enjoying views over the Sussex countryside. From the Norman conquest to the modern day, Arundel Castle remains a towering witness to English history, shaped by kings, nobles, wars, and centuries of transformation, a place where the past still lives behind every stone.